I know how bad it is to just feel like your videos are not good enough when you start on YouTube. Having a good setup will help you and your videos to look a lot more professional and put together. So I won't make a long introduction because I need to go and grab my coffee. What a nice day to be alive. So we're talking about having a setup. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? I will tell you. The sound of the video. I can't tell you enough how important it is to have a nice sound in your video. I mean, no matter what you do, if you don't have a good quality microphone, your voice won't sound that nice. So I can give you an option for the microphone. Actually, the one that I'm using right now is this Rode microphone. Also, I will make a really little test here, talking with and without the microphone, and I will show you the big difference that this makes. Test number 1. This is without this microphone. This is without any microphone. Test number 2. This is with this microphone. And if you are actually like thinking right now why I have it here, is because I have 2 of these. So this is with microphone. So for the editing part, I started using a Windows tablet from Chewy, but as long as you have a really good editing program, it doesn't really matter at first. Now I'm using my MacBook Air to edit the videos. I mean, my boyfriend does. Thanks, boyfriend. For lighting, I'm using some ring lights, and I have like 2 big surprises here that makes the difference in the video. These are the 2 secrets. This one is from Yongnuo, and it's the reflector that I use every time I want to have like a really colored video. Besides this, I'm using this one from Vijim, and I will insert the photos, that has also an RGB setting and some other cool features too. This is with Yongnuo now, and this is without Yongnuo. You can already see the big difference, like the color just is not there. So this is like a plus thing for this video. I will give you some ideas like for videos. And here all I can say is, first think about what's your hobby. I mean, do you like traveling? Do you like makeup? Maybe do you like, I don't know, painting? Maybe do you like brushing your cat? I don't know. People have like serious things to do at home, like serious. But that's not the important part. The important part is, it doesn't matter what are you good at. It matters to do it, like to show it in front of the people, to show it here. I mean, even if you don't feel like you do your best, you need to do your best. I mean, even if people will judge you, because you know people are judging, and that's normal. You need to do what you love. If you like travel, you can do travel videos, vlogs. You can make a video when you go to another city or things like this. It doesn't need to be like to copy someone from YouTube and to be just a copy. You need to be original. You need to be you. You need to be you. And if you like makeup, you can like just grab some ideas from my channel, because I have a makeup channel with lots of other things, but mainly my channel is for makeup. So you can just browse some ideas, or if you like, I don't know, if you are like a cat person or a dog person, you can film your animal and you can do whatever you want. Basically, you can do whatever you want. You just need to be creative. in your own way. And do not let people judge you. I mean, do not let people discourage you, because that's the most important part. Do you think if I would just listen to all people that were saying do not start to post on YouTube because I don't know, just Selena Gomez will make something out of this, or I don't know, some actors or something that someone that is already known from another, from TV shows and things like this. But no, that's not real. You can be whenever, not whenever, whatever you want here. This is like a big world. You can be whenever, whatever you want. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I need to drink a coffee. So that was it for today, guys. The things to really keep in mind is to concentrate on the sound of the video. This is the most important part, even if the quality won't be that great at first. I mean, for the video, it's much more important to have that clear sound. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and leave me a comment down below what you plan to buy first for your first step into YouTube. Kisses! Bye!